Remove the parts from the box and verify they are all there. Use your shipping package as a workbench. Lay the seat pan upside down on the shipping carton with the white OPS label to the front. Place the seat mechanism on the seat pan with the knob facing the OPS label. Attach the seat mechanism to the seat pan using the long screw and the small washer. Hand start all screws before tightening. Use the short screw, large washer, and lock washer to assemble the back attachment. Hand start all 3 screws before tightening. Attach the arms on both sides with the button side out and the curved edge to the front of the chair. Hand start all 3 screws before tightening. Attach the caster to the base by firmly pushing in. Place the dust cover over the cylinder, small side up. Put the cylinder in the base with the orange cap up. Place the seat and back assembly onto the cylinder. Push firmly with the knee to seat the cylinder. You are now done.